Hello students, today I just have taken a topic that is do and don'ts while using watercolors. Previously also I have just discussed this in classroom. The first thing you are going to be avoid, don't make dark lines as it will look like a outlining. Okay? Just draw a light lines so that the watercolors which you have filled, it should not be see through your work. So make a light drawing. The first mistake. Second mistake is unclean edges means you just very much careful regarding when you are filling the colors on the borderline of the work. See in the picture the edges are zigzag on the left hand side and the edges are not clear, the borders are not clear. But now in the right side when we are filling the color we are very much careful, and at the end of the borders we are just keep the brush in such a way that the edges should be clean. You can make a difference between both the things. It is seen in the you can see in the on the screen over here. Common mistake you all are doing, please take care of this thing. Third is you are taking very dark colors in the first layer only, so there is no scope of doing the lighter tones and middle tones. So be careful. First of all, on the left hand side when we have taken the Persian blue, same color amount we are taking on the right hand side, and the difference you can see on the first layer we are making very lighter tone. First of all, here we can convert it into middle tone and the dark tones, so be careful regarding first take of your colors in the first layer. The third fourth one, you are coloring too fast, that you are not very much careful regarding filling the colors. You're taking the colors and very randomly you are filling the colors, but don't be so fast, be slow. The patience needs over there. Please patiently clear the colors properly and merge it properly. The fifth one is when you are just doing the colors, you need to wait for the first layer to be dry properly. Like on the left hand side you can see a tree and that hut is not properly visible. On the right hand side the same tree and the hut is visible properly. Why? Because the first layer is properly dry up and then we apply the second layer of that. So the picture is clear on right hand side, and left hand side it is not clear, it is blur. Now the balance of the colors of water. Sometimes you are taking too much water and sometimes you are taking way less water. So this is will overcome when you will do the practice with that. You need to be first of all see how much amount of water you needed in the work. So too much water will destroy your work, and less water also show the strokes of the brushes on the stick. And seventh one is you are using the dirty water. When you are just doing the work, please take two containers in front of you while you're working. One is purely clean and one is for the just clean your brush properly. Once you clean the color from the brush properly, and then dip on the clean water also. Last one, eighth one is that you just must use paper tape while you are using before you starting the work. Paper tape is very must in your work. Apply the paper tape on the margin, then start your work. Otherwise the paper will blot and it will just come into zigzag way. The last one is the brushes. How to keep eye on the brushes? It should be in the good condition. The wrong or the spoiled brushes can spoil your paintings. Okay? So timely see your brushes. It should be in the good condition. If it is not good, then change the brushes. Don't use expensive brushes, but at least use the good type of brushes. The brushes should be in the good condition. See it and then use it on the work. The difference you can see. So these are the things we have discussed. Watch it properly and don't do the mistakes in your work now next time.